one killer cat back at it again with another video. Let's get it. As y'all can see, there go my baby Candy behind me, and y'all are tuned in to Red Key TV. And we are always doing some type of mods on this channel. So if this is your first time to this channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on any video that helps you out in any kind of way, man. Like my homeboy Certified to say, I ain't gonna do his whole thing, but it don't cost you nothing, it don't cost me nothing, okay? Just hit that red button. Shout out to my homeboy Certified _ 392 on YouTube. Go check out his channel. That boy got a bunch of dope content out in Cali now. But right now, look at Candy back there. Oh, looking so good. We about to get into this video. I'm headed to my homeboy's house. Well, I'm about to head over to my homeboy's house because we about to do a Starlight Ceiling in here, okay? It's been long overdue. I've had my Starlight Ceiling for so long. My homeboy does them, and he said he was gonna hook me up. I helped him install his underglow. He was like, don't worry about it, bro. I done the Starlight Ceiling. I got you. So I'm getting to get my Starlight Ceiling put in. And really, I just been BSing because he been like, bro, anytime you free and you want to do it, hit me up. And so finally, a bunch of my people went and got their Starlight Ceilings done, or I'm seeing them more on Instagram and stuff down the line. And I'm like, I got it. Why haven't I put mine in? So we found a free weekend. Time to get it done. So Starlight Ceiling is coming, man. So stay tuned for the video. Let's get it. Yo, guys, so we done pulled up at my man's crib, and last time I seen this was a slim body. He put his wide body kit on himself. He said he's gonna take it to the shop, get a little bit more custom work, get it touched up. He said there's a little bitty things, but he don't got a problem with it, but he's gonna take it into the shop. So before y'all look and be like, oh, this is different, he's gonna take it to the shop and get it done. But I ain't gonna lie, but off top, this thing is a lot more aggressive. Like, those wide body kits really do something for the slim body. So, you know, of course, I got a wide body kit on mine. He has a wide body kit on his. This is the Vicrez kit. I have the chrome and carbon. And for putting on himself, he actually did a really good job. There's a couple things. Now, he wrapped it. So he's like, there's a couple of little things that he wants to get fixed and stuff in the line. But he wrapped everything. Bro, this is the wrap that was on my Scat Pack. And I love his accent of doing it down there. I've seen people wide body it and then wrap all the fenders in it, and I didn't like the look of it. No offense to them. You know, hey, your car is your car. But just this little pillar right here, all the way down, I ain't gonna lie, that's fire. That's so fire. He did his thing with that one. I like that. And then he also did this. He did the stripe, the wrap at the back himself, because everybody was telling him that they couldn't get it done. So I'm not gonna lie, he came work with this one. He did full work on that. He do a lot of work himself. And, you know, of course, you got me over here. So he's gonna do the Starlight Ceiling for me. We gonna get in here, pull it out, get it done. But man, big pressure. He does a lot of his own work, just like me, a lot of my own work. So those are the people that you want to get up with. But yeah, he did that thing. He did that. That's fire as hell. Yeah, there go the man back there, look, in the garage. There go the man there. You. Hey, real quick, what you think? This is the first time you got to see it with the wheels on there, huh?
Yeah, this is the first time, man. This shit look outstanding, man. This shit look amazing.
It like completely changed, in my opinion, from now having to go on it. I couldn't never go back to black.
Nah, you can't, man. Perfect color match too. You can't beat that, man. And it bounces off the lip too, man.
Yeah.
Definitely look good, man.
He out here putting big pressure on the boys. I'm telling you, man, everybody thought you needed, when the wide bodies hadn't came out, everybody was like, oh man, I'm gonna have to trade mine in. It's more and more people going to the aftermarket wide body kits and putting them on because it makes more sense, man. Rather than turning over, starting a new loan, paying the expedited prices of trying to get a Dodge now. With this COVID going on, Dodge is going crazy with the price of their cars. So these wide body kits is the way to go. Plus, you already been paying on your car. You throw the little kit in. You got the spacers on, huh?
Yeah, I got spacers on.
You gonna change them after a while, or you gonna stick with the spacers?
Nah, I'm gonna change them out.
Yeah, everybody got their different ways of going about it. Like, some people like space. Some people run spacers and they never change them. Me personally, I was like, I'm gonna get a custom built wheel. He said he changing his spacers out. So I mean, to each his own. Like, shoot, ain't no trip. I just feel like if we doing burnouts and all type of stuff, you probably should just get a regular wheel.
Regular wheel is the safer way, man.
Yeah, definitely the safer way. But hey, this thing is mean, boy. Like, hey, look, I wish I had the camera on. Yeah, I didn't know when I pulled up that he had already wide body. I knew he had the kit, but I didn't know that he had already put it on. Man, that thing's something serious, boy. But we about to get into this Starlight Ceiling, so we gonna set up some cameras and get this ceiling pulled and see how long it take us to get it done, man. Let's get it. All right, so we gonna go ahead and start this thing. We're gonna try to get this roof down now. I've never taken the roof down. I just know these clips, right? These are just clip in, so I just put my little tool behind it and popped it down. And then it's got a little connection piece. We gonna pull that out and try to keep it going. So so this has this little clip piece over it. You just use the pry tool. Prefer a metal pry tool to pry these things off of here. Just makes it easier than the plastic ones that are flimsy. A lot of people got plastic. Get you a good metal one. And basically you just gonna be the Allen screws right here. You're gonna take them down and this thing's gonna come out. You're gonna do the same thing. It's a little piece that you just flip back. Allen tool, take these down. And this basically gonna be the front of the car. All right, so these right here, bigger Allen head, you're gonna pop the little clips down from up top. And then the backs, you actually gotta unscrew, you gotta unbolt the light and everything that aligns. So my man's is working faster than me over here. He got shit going, I'm over here being slow. Let me catch up. There's a screw right there that you gotta take out. He said this is hard Velcro. We pulled that basically down just for pressure. Let me step out the car. All right. Let me see. Oh, okay, I see it. Right here, the visor for the lights. You got this connection point right here. You just gotta take out right here. These are my lights for my GPS stuff. Let's see. All right, let's take that out. All right, so I unplugged from up there. That connection point right here is this one right here. That's my sunroof. Took that down, took the visor down. Oh, this bad boy about ready to come up out of here. Shoot, to be honest with you, that's about like 30 minutes to do that, like if even that. All right. We got it. Drill time, make sure I drill to your table.
Oh, no, that's cool. That's what it's for, bro. It's the work table, man.
All right, so how small are we going as far as drill bit?
116.
It's all right.
Yeah, you're gonna take that off, take the side foam off. I take these off too, like the blue.
Now look at this, man. He got me drawing the circles. Look at his, all spaced out, nice and pretty. Look at my shit. I look like a little kid that don't know how to color in the lines. Yeah, I'm gonna let him get this process. And basically, we got a line going down the middle, 250 on, 275 on that side, 275 on this side, to give you the 550 that the kit is, ran all the way up. So, yeah, he doing way better than I was doing with my side. Let me get out the way. Fixing my mess ups. We gonna be out here. I'm finna have light at nighttime on the inside. I ain't put no lights on the inside of my car yet. This is gonna be the first ones. Ain't did none. And I'm generally known for having some lights on the inside. Like I have lights on the outside, I'm known for having lights on the inside. Over a year having a car and never put no lights on the inside.
Once you put them in, glue them down, plug it up, look, you know what I'm saying, look at it, make sure we ain't got no crazy gaps or whatever. So we can fill them in and then you gotta go back on the bottom and glue them.
All right, y'all, we hung it up. We at the gluing. You really just got to be careful of where, like, the farthest section away, because that's what's gonna really take your slack. That's everything else. Like, this is the excess right here. We hung it up. We finna glue it, let it dry. I mean, by the time you finish gluing up there, by the time we get down here, that'll be up there, be dry. It's dry super quick. But yeah, that's it. And then the reinstall process. We doing pretty straight right now, making decent time. Oh yeah, we at the spot we're about to clean it up a little bit with the toenail clippers, get it nice and flush. This is coming out nicely. All right, y'all, so we pulled it down from hanging it after we clipped everything, glued them in, pushed it back in the car. We came through the driver's side front, taking it that way. Just got to be careful so you don't get caught on your e-brake or the shifter. That's how we put it back in. However y'all decide to get it back in the car, it's up to y'all. Pretty for sure you can go in either side of the front. We came in driver's side, but as you can see, they're all over the place, but we're gonna clean this up. And bro, it looked good. I can't wait to get a finished look at this bad boy when it's in the car and then at nighttime. But yeah, this thing looked good already. All right, so the reconnect process is about the same, but vital information he gave me, that center screw that we took out, that is right here, you got to put that back in first. So once you make your connections, we connected the sunroof, we connected the actual connection that runs all the power up here anyway, connected those two connectors back, put the visors back on their little connectors. When you put it back up, he said, make sure you put that center screw in first, because if not, you'll be off-centered on everything. Everything will be out of whack. So when you put this up, make sure, vital information, put that screw back in, and then everything else, you should be good. All right, guys, full install in. Lights everywhere, across the sides, everything. Matter of fact, let's close that so we can get a little bit of even down there. Lights everywhere. We're gonna light it up at nighttime to give y'all a better look at it, but it's fully installed, wired up, and ready to go. How to put my amp back in and everything. It comes with a cigarette lighter. I hardwired mine. I didn't put that part in there because the hard wiring, it's either something you do know or you don't know. It's not that hard, but I don't want nobody messing nothing up. It's not crazy though. All right, y'all, I'm back at the crib, man. The Starlight Ceiling in here is amazing. He did a great job. I got him everywhere, even underneath where, let me see if we can't turn this around. I got my phone on the charger. Y'all can see with my, where it is, where my mirrors go up, we got them underneath there on both sides. So like, we went all the way around. 550 kit with the sunroof. I got my little lights on right quick. I'm in the garage, so I should be able to get it pretty decently dark. So there we go. And then I'm gonna cut my car off and close my garage, because these should stay on for about 45 seconds. I got them hooked into my amp and everything. So let's see what we're looking at. see them starlights in there. That's for sure. Let me go ahead. So that's gonna be it for this video, man. Like I said, man, if I helped you at all on this channel, man, make sure you like the video, man. Trying to get above 20, 25 likes, man. Trying to get up there in the good numbers. I'm getting about not 200. I'm getting close to 200 views on every video now. Like 180, 170 views. So, yo, do me a favor, man. If you clicked on this video, especially if you made it to this point, go ahead and hit that like button, man. If you made it to this point, hit the like button. You watched the whole video. Or you skipped through it and you're at this point, so like my video because you skipped through it anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna link my man's Instagram in here because, yo, that was clutch. He really came in clutch. He charged about $500 to do it. So if you want to get your Starlight Ceiling done, you're in the Jacksonville area, anything, man, hit him up. All about trying to put money in people's pockets. He does a great job, man. He's been doing it for a while. The harder part for people that have not done it is going to be getting them evened out to look right in the car. I love the way mine came out. That was my big thing when seeing other people's didn't look right where they were placed at, where the lights were at. He did a great job of getting my lights in good places. They look even all around the car. So if you're doing it yourself, keep that in mind, man. Got to try to make it look even. Really got to try to make it look even. All right, y'all. I appreciate it, man. Until next time, I'm out.